ready to supercharge your business communication and email marketing efforts. Let's dive into signing up for Mailerlite, your intuitive gateway to building relationships with your audience. First, navigate to the Mailerlite website. You'll see a prominent button, usually something like Get Started for Free or Sign Up Now. Click this to begin your journey. You'll be presented with a Signup form here. You'll need to enter your full name, a valid email address that you'll use for your account, and a strong, secure password. Double-check these details for accuracy. Mailerlite will then send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your inbox, find the email from Mailerlite, and click on the verification link. This confirms your email and activates your account. Once verified, you'll land on your Mailerlite dashboard. You might be prompted to provide a bit more information about your business, such as your industry and company name. This helps Mailerlite tailor your experience. To fully get started, Mailerlite may ask you to add your website URL and perhaps confirm your business address. This is crucial for compliance and ensuring you can send emails effectively. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for Mailerlite. You're now ready to explore its features, import your contacts, and start crafting impactful email campaigns for your business.